Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you if you can change lobby background in PUBG Mobile. In PUBG Mobile, the lobby background automatically changes with new seasons or special events. Currently, there is no direct way to manually select or change the lobby background at will, but you can experience different lobby backgrounds through seasonal updates, event backgrounds, and Royal Pass. In order to experience a new lobby background, ensure that the PUBG Mobile is updated to the latest version. New backgrounds often come with new game updates or seasonal changes, so make sure you have your app up to date. Regularly check the event section for Royal Pass or limited time rewards, skins, or visual updates. As the game rolls out a new season, the lobby background will change automatically to reflect the theme. So that is what you know about PUBG Mobile's lobby background. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.